Hello everyone, Mark here. Welcome back to my garage. Now, as some of you can probably see behind me, there's a bit of a space here. That's because, as you can probably all read, because I don't think you're all illiterate, the title of this video is all about a new stray that followed me home. Yeah, I've kind of made a wonderful deal with the amazing cracked spanner, Tim Ford, and thank you very much to him once again. And well, let's just say I've got a bit of a swap going on. So what's going to happen is I've just waiting for him to arrive with the new machine, and then I'll explain to you exactly what's going on. Now, before you all start going off on one saying, "Oh, you're just wanting one machine for two, for three, whatever, blah, blah, blah." The machine, I'm swapping my horizontal mill, and I'm swapping my Myford ML10 for a much bigger and much more capable milling machine. In particular, a Harrison floor-standing universal mill that's going to go right here. This entire area is going to be filled up with one big mill. So yeah, that's why the horizontal mill is not here anymore. And also getting rid of my ML10, as I've told you before, that was always in the plans, to get rid of the ML10. Because, well, frankly, yes, I know my channel's too many lathes, but as it turns out, my garage isn't big enough for too many lathes. I needed space, so get rid of the ML10. It's going to a good home, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I've got the Super 7, which is a great machine. I've even got a gearbox ready to install on it now, so I can have quick change. So, all in all, it's a very, very good deal. Not to mention, it gives me back some bench space then as well, because I don't know if you noticed, you won't be able to see probably from there, but there's a whole workbench here now that I've got going begging. So that's going to be handy. So, the man, the myth, the legend cracked spanner has arrived, and he's now got the wonderful task of trying to get his rather nice vehicle inside our ridiculously narrow driveway. This should be entertaining. That's why I've started the camera running at this point. Let's see what happens, shall we? Ah, like I bought one. Eh? Like I bought one. YouTube, cracked spanner, YouTube.
Hello!
Now you get to see what's lurking within. Oh, look at that. Hey, it just fits.
I'm just.
Right. Now the big choice is we've got to get this lovely piece of equipment down here to lift this out of said van. So I'm going to put this bit on fast forward and we'll get it out and check back in with you, hopefully when we've got it at least closer to the door, if not in place as well. one half workshop's worth of equipment in the back of the van. As you can probably tell, it is now very dark. It's taken quite a while because the new mill was extremely heavy and awkward, and all I have is an engine hoist to lift it with, so yay.
Got it there in the end.
We got it there eventually. Well, thank you very much indeed, Tim, for that.
No problem at all.
Fantastic, absolutely wonderful to have it.
I'm sure you'll make some nice projects on it soon.
Yes, I'm certainly looking forward to doing it. I think the next step is to get a VFD for it and get it wired in. That's going to be a nice fun thing to do, because it is 3-phase, but you know I only have.
All I'm going to say is it worked when I sold it to him. So
there we go. Good luck disclaimer that. I like that. I like that a lot. I do like that. So yeah, I'm hoping that the new owners of all these various bits are going to be happy with what they have. I made sure to look after all my bits as best as I could, so and repair a few things. For example, repairing the weird gear and stuff on the milling machine as well. I repaired that. I've got a video. I'll put a link in the cards up here somewhere. It's up here, one of the two. To the video where I modify that gear and fix it. Also, the lathe made it so you can fit bigger tooling into it as well. So if the prospective buyer is watching this video by any chance, you've got the ability to have larger tooling in the mill and still be on centre height, which is wonderful. So yeah, thank you very much once again.
That's no problem at all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.